Welcome. In this video I will show you how to synchronize data recorded by your Helio Ring with the Apple Health application. So first of all, make sure that you have the Zip app installed on your Apple device, on your Apple smartphone most probably. Open it and make sure that you have your ring paired with it. If not, then pair your ring with your Zip application. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is open the Health app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then navigate to Privacy section in Settings, go to the Apps menu and select Zip application. Now select the kinds of info you want to receive from the Zip application, so active energy, blood oxygen, and all the rest, or just like turn on all, and then just leave this menu. And from this point you will start receiving all the data recorded by your Helio Ring, and it will be recorded, it will be transferred to your Health application. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.